Let's go explore the park!
Wow! This is a slide! Huh? Where are the swings? Look at there! I think it is there. Swing! Friends, let's go there! This is a seesaw! Friends, that is a trampoline! Wow! Look at there! Friends, that is a merry-go-round! Let's do rockers! I will sit on the horse rocker. I will sit on the elephant rocker. Rockers! Wow, look at the ducks! It is so relaxing. Hey, let's go to the monkey bars! Look at this! So much fun doing monkey bars! Let's go to the sand park!
Thank you for watching Diaper Monkeys. See you again!